Hey guys, here's Sophia. I'm about to do a cold start. Let me show you. Alright, let's do this cold start. So yeah, I got a cold air intake. To be honest, my factory box is in my back seat. If I wanted to, I could put it right back on there. So yeah, cold start. Not bad. Don't sound bad. Some more exhaust work on the way. Definitely. It still sounds stock to me. I'm sorry. It still sounds stock to me. I got a lot of work to do. I'm getting the carbon fiber moldings to put right here. This should be here probably next week. I gotta finish stitching this. Once I stitch this top part, yeah, it's not bad. Finish the stitching in between. I'm doing it because right now, some of it is stitched in, but the rest of it is just like looped out. This is wrapped on, but when I finish it, it's gonna be right. Doors. I gotta put the panel back on that door because I put speakers in yesterday. I will let you hear the speakers, but radio isn't hooked up. Other door. So yeah, center console. Don't mind this. It was just me trying something out. This is actually gift wrap. Like, you know, for Christmas, a present wrap. It don't look bad. It look cool. I just wish it could be. I wish I could find this in pink, so it could be the actual color. But you win some, you lose some. You can tell it's wrap because right here is. I was bored. Don't mind me. Quarantine got me doing weird stuff. Definitely got to clean. I did a lot of cutting in here for some reason. Yes. So yeah, that's her.